Hey guys, welcome to episode 21 of Portfolio Update. So today was not a good day. We're down 4%, around $200. Hey guys, before we get into the rest of the video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. So today Shell threw us for a loop. It shot up 6% pre-market, and then once regular trading hours started, it just tanked about 5% and actually ended the day down 0.5%. We kind of saw this same pattern about 2 weeks ago where pre-market Shell would shoot up and then it would just trade sideways the rest of the day. As of now, we still do not have news on when Shell's merger date is, but people are anticipating it's going to be soon. That's why we've seen it move up recently. Looking at my Shell call, it's had a roller coaster of a day. It was up to $1.80 and now it's down to 90, so it's actually ended the day down 16%. But you know, it's still a long-term hold. I could have sold at $1.80, but I definitely think it's going to be higher as we get closer to the 21st, as we get more news or closer to the merger date or the merger date announcement. So SPAQ had a pretty eventful day. It's down 40 cents. Not much to say about it. No news has come out. It's just people are slowly selling off. But yeah, currently down $500 on this position, 15%. I'm still planning on holding. So if you were in SINT today, it went up 53%. Normal hours or trading hours, and then after hours it went down 13%. So I considered buying into this because of the news with that they're partnering up with a company to produce their masks. I just couldn't find any of my stocks or calls that I wanted to sell out, or I couldn't validate that being worth. Either I'd be taking a loss on that position and I didn't know how much it would run up. It had run up 20% when I saw it, and it did have some. So I considered buying into this because of the news with that they're partnering up with a company to produce their masks. I just couldn't find any of my stocks or calls that I wanted to sell out, or I couldn't validate that being worth. Either I'd be taking a loss on that position and I didn't know how much it would run up. It had run up 20% when I saw it, and it did have some peaks and then fell off, so there were a lot of chances for swing trading this. But you know, people are still saying it's going to be running the next few days. I still don't know if I'm going to try and get in on this. Most of my positions I believe in long term, and don't want to sell or take a loss on these positions. So TTOO had a not so good day. It's down 4%, and then after hours up 6% or 0.6%. My call didn't really move. It dropped down for a short period of time, but went back. So EROS did not have a good day. It's down 5.5%. My thought is just a lot of people lost faith in this company just off of everything that happened last week. Take a few weeks or really big news for EROS for the stock to go up, so I'm just gonna hold my call even though it's down to 1 cent. I'm not gonna sell it, you know. Still a big fan of EROS even though it's hurt my bank account or my portfolio. But yeah, I'll keep holding this. It's for September, and that's when the investor event is going to be, where they talk about their STX merger. or they publicly come out with that. So that's my play on this call anyway. So IVR also didn't have a good day. It's down around 2%. Mostly I am down on my call options. People are expecting its earnings to not be good, and that's supposed to be on the 6th, or that's when Robinhood estimates it to be. But all of these calls are long-term calls, so I'm not expecting to see these shoot up unless we get really good news about coronavirus and people getting back to work. So NKLA started the day off pretty well. It was up 6%, and then after hours it actually tanked 15%, and that was because of earnings. It was estimated that it would be down 13 shares, or 13 cents per share, but it was down 16 cents per share. So people were playing this for the hype, and they got worse than what they were expecting, so the stock is tanking as of now. Probably continue this trend tomorrow. So we're at the end of portfolio update episode 21. Not the best day, but still hopeful for the rest of the week. I think September is going to be a good month, especially if SPAQ can pick it up. It's probably my biggest loss as of now, down $500. So if SPAQ can pick it up, I definitely think this could be a good month for us. Let me know how your week's going if you were in SINT. But yeah, thanks for watching. I post every day. See you soon. Deuce.